how to turn on dark mode on Facebook app and Messenger app. Let's open Facebook app. We click on our profile picture at the right top corner. Scroll down, settings and privacy. And here is dark mode. Turn it on and that's it. If you want to turn on Messenger too, we open Messenger. Click on our profile picture and here's dark mode. Turn it on and that's it. If for some reason you don't see these options, you probably need to upgrade your app. How to do that? The easy way is to just click on your store, type Facebook, here you can upgrade it to a newer version. This is it guys, I'm making tutorials about unknown options of popular apps and useful unpopular apps. If this seems interesting to you, consider subscribing to my channel.